Greetings everyone, you're welcome back to Blessings Kitchen, and today we are making Ora Soup. Ora Soup is one of Igbo's special soup, very delicious. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell to enable you get notifications whenever we make a post. And today's ingredients, we have Ora leaves. Some people call it Oha leaves, while some call it Ora leaves. And we have Uzuza leaves. The flavor is everything. Here is cocoyam. This particular cocoyam is specially made for soups. And we have ako, also known as banga or palm fruits. This serves as the oil. And we have beef. We have stockfish. We have dried fish, smoked fish, and we have pomo, we have crayfish, we have yellow pepper, fresh yellow pepper, we have ogili, and we have salt and seasoning cubes. Let's begin by steaming the meats. Steam for a few minutes and add your stockfish. Don't forget to wash your stockfish with hot water. And same with the dried fish. Time to add the stockfish. Add your dried fish. And add your pomo. Boil for a few minutes before adding the smoked fish. Now time to boil the cocoyam. Boil your cocoyam till it becomes very soft to pound. Today I'm going to be pounding with mortar. You can use your blender as well, but I'll be pounding with my mortar today. Pound smoothly. Guys, I am adding palm oil to my cocoyam. I don't know about you, but this is the style I use. Pound very smoothly. Transfer the paste into a bowl and keep aside. Time to boil our aku. Boil the aku very soft. When it is very soft, you pound in a mortar. Pound very smoothly and add warm water to it. Separate the chaffs and filter the juice into a separate bowl. Remember, this serves as the oil. You don't need to add extra oil to the soup. Time to blend our pepper and crayfish. Add the blended pepper and crayfish into the mixture. Now we are going to add a little water. Depending on the quantity of water that is in the mixture, we add our seasoning cubes and salt. Cover for a few minutes, and guys, time to add the aku juice. Remember, this serves as the oil. You don't need more oil if you are using banga to make your oha soup. Add your ogiri. Ogiri gives it a perfect flavor. Cover for a few minutes and add your pounded cocoyam bit by bit into the pot. Cook for a few minutes till the cocoyam lumps are all gone. And finally, add your Ora leaves. Add your Uzuza leaves and turn off the fire immediately. You don't cook your vegetable for long. And guys, our Ora soup is ready. Delicious Ora soup is ready. Why not give this a try and give us a feedback? Thank you guys for cooking with blessing today. Please subscribe. Bye.